Hi guys, this is a squirrel and he's eating. There's one over there making a nest and this cute little guy is shoving something in his mouth and he looks adorable. And I don't know what he is eating. That looks like nuts. What's that sound?
Bird.
Look at the squirrel over there. Guys, that squirrel is so adorable and he's still eating and meanwhile, just look at him. Cutie. Ooh, I think I have something to feed him. The other one's so cute too. He's digging a nest. He's digging a nest, guys. And the other one, I think they're brother and sister or sisters. Or maybe friends. And they live in the same forest. He's so cute. He's making a nest, I think. Back to the other eating one. I'm looking at the eating one.